Tom, tomorrow Mommy has to work overtime. You'll go to your aunt's house, okay? Don't be naughty there.
Hi,
Jimmy, today Tummy will be staying here all day. You two play nicely together, okay?
Sorry for the trouble. I'll come back as soon as everything is done. I'm leaving now, Tom. Be a good boy, all right?
You two play nicely. I'll cook something for you later. Jimmy, Tummy, here's some orange juice for you. What was that sound?
Tummy broke your flower vase. Mom.
I told you to play nicely. Don't be naughty. Now drink your juice. What was that sound again? You naughty kids. What did you break this time?
Tummy spilled his orange juice. Mom. No, Annie. It wasn't me. Jimmy dropped it.
Enough. This is the last time you break something or you'll face the consequences. What is it this time? You naughty child. You're going to face the consequences. You've only been here a short while and you're already breaking my things.
It wasn't me. Annie. Jimmy kicked the ball.
You still dare to lie and blaming Jimmy? Come here. You must be punished.
Mommy, help me. It's so dark in here.
I'm home. Tell me, where are you, son?
Oh no, she came back earlier than expected.
Where's Tommy? Why do you look nervous?
No, Tummy is playing.
Mommy, help me.
That's Tommy's voice. Tommy, where are you, sweetheart? Are you okay, Tom? Why are you here?
Tommy's mom called the police. The police officers saw everything from the CCTV camera.
Please let me go. This is just a misunderstanding.
It's okay, Tom. You're safe now.
Mom, where are you? I miss you so much.
Oh my God, the kitten is in danger.
Oh, my son, where are you? I will be there right now.
Stay strong, little kitten. Your mother is here now.
The little kitten is out of danger now. Mother cat, you can rest assured.
Mom, I miss home so much.
Okay, let's go home together.
Hello, my wife fainted. Please come quickly. Doctor, how is my wife?
We did our best.
I will take good care of our children. Go to sleep, baby. They steal me.
Years later.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Will you marry me?
Yes, I am willing. I do. I do.
I will be back soon.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Listen to me obediently. 我是伟正，我是伟正。
Let go, you heartless woman.
Oh my god. I'll be right there.
Yeah!